Hello friends, welcome to my channel. You watching Creative Learning with Ezaz. In today's video, I will show you knowledge on soil. Let's start. Knowledge on soil. Today's video, we will see why do we study soil mechanics. What is soil? Soil composition, soil forming factors, use of soil, types of soil, introduction of sandy soil, loamy soil, clay soil, gravel soil. First we see why do we study soil mechanics. Every man-made structure rests on earth and those need a foundation to transfer the ultimate load without failure. To determine the behavior of soil to resist the ultimate load, we need to study its mechanics. Now, what is soil? Soil is one of the basic resources we need to survive, like air and water. The surface layer of the earth that contain all nutrients plants need to grow. The quality of soil determines what can grow there. Home to many plants, animals and other organisms like bacteria, an important filter of water and wastes. Let's see its composition, in which rock particles, minerals, dead, decaying plant, animal material, humus, bacteria, fungi, and other microbes, worms, and insect, air, water. Now we going to see its forming factor. In Scotland, we have many different types of soil. However, they have all formed in the same basic manner. There are five main factors which affect how a soil will form. First is climate, second biota, third relief, fourth parent material, fifth time. Have a look on uses of soil. Growing plant, earthen utensil. Some types of soil are applied on face and body. Used for religious purpose, used in construction and arts, used for naturally filtering and purifying water, etc. Let's see types of soil. Soil has 6 types: sandy soil, clay soil, chalky soil, silty soil, peaty soil, and loamy soil. First one is sandy soil. Let's see what is sandy soil. Sandy soil is light, warm, dry and tend to be acidic and low in nutrients. Sandy soil are often known as light soil due to their high proportion of sand and little clay. Clay weigh more than sand. This soil have quick water drainage and are easy to work with. Its uses: sandy soil is good for growing vegetable because it has good drainage and it warm up well. Unlike clay soil, it doesn't hold in nutrients, so gardener must be add additional components throughout the season. You can add compost, manure or grass clipping as a start. This can improve your sandy soil. Have a look on where sandy soil is found. Sandy soil are largely observed in arid and semi-arid region of northwestern plant along the coastline and also some extent in cold desert area of country. This region experience low rainfall with high temperature in summer and low temperature in winter. Now we will see what is loam soil. Loam soil is the mixture of clay, sand and silt soil which consists additional organic matter and is very fertile compared to other types of soil. It is well situated for cultivation as plant roots get a sufficient amount of water and nutrients for their growth and development. Its uses: raising crops. Loam soil provide vegetable plants with soil condition needed to produce abundant crops during the growing season. Planting trees, growing flowers. Have a look on clay soil, which is favorite to children. Clay soil. Clay soil is one of the many types of soil that are distinguished as soil in which the particles are packed tightly together with each other with little or no space. Because of this characteristic, clay is the densest of the heaviest types of soil. Uses of clay soil in growing. The particle of clay soil is compact in nature. It tends to the north or enough air. That is the basic requirement of many plants. In construction, since ancient time, clay soil has been used for construction because its extraordinary properties. Ceramic, pottery, medicinal. This video we saw knowledge on soil. I hope you all understand easily. For more easy learning, subscribe my channel and share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more knowledgeable videos. Thank you for watching.